Hello guys, NeoPlayTimes here, welcome to a new video, and today I have a couple things here, and they are the USB-C to Lightning cable and the 30-watt USB-C power adapter. And you might say, why am I buying this? And this is why this is compatible with fast charging for the iPad Pro and the iPhone 8 Plus and above. So in this video we are going to unbox them, and then in other videos we will see if it's worth to buy them just to charge your devices a little bit faster. Okay, so these unboxings are going to be pretty straightforward, but I wanted to record them and upload a video. So if you like, we'll start with this, the power adapter. So as you can see, there's a small lid right here, and if we pull it from the arrow and open. Whoa. So, whoops, it's actually upside down and I almost dropped it. So as you can see, it comes here in a tray, and there's the two things here. We have the brick itself and the power adapter. So it's pretty nice, and this isn't like plastic, it's like more papery, and that's nice because it's more environmentally friendly. So yeah, so now what we have to do is remove all of this and all of that, and the paper, there it goes, and then stick it right in. Where is there's some paper there? No, we stick it right in and we're good to go. So as you can see, this uses a USB-C cable, and this is actually the very first time that I have a USB-C cable, because I have nothing USB-C yet. So yeah, there's rumors that the new iPad will be charged by USB-C. I really hope it doesn't, because I'm already really deep into Lightning, and yeah, I'm okay with Lightning. I mean, with this cable that goes USB-C to Lightning, what else can you wish? So let's move this aside and put this right here, and then we will unbox this. Again, it has this small pull tab, and we do this and then open it. Here we have our cable. Now this was available in 1 meter and 2 meters, but I got the 1 meter just because it's considerably cheaper and I don't really need 2 meters. So yeah. So this is the USB-C, as you can see, and this is Lightning. And now, I mean, this is the regular length that you get with any device that you buy. Even now the Apple Watches, I was surprised to learn that the Apple Watch Series 4 has a 1 meter charging cable, whereas my old Apple Watch had a 2 meter charging cable. So that's different. And yeah, now we just plug it right in here, and boom. And now this end goes to your device. So as I said, this unboxing has been pretty straightforward, and yeah, so this is the cable. I bought it because I'm desperate to charge my iPad. It takes such a long while, especially if I'm using it. It can take like 5 hours to charge. So that's why I bought this, and it's also useful for my iPhone 8 Plus. So we will compare them both in the video and see what it's like. So thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe down below for more Apple related content, including the follow-up video of how well does this fast charge your devices. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is down below and about here, so where you'll be able to stay up to date with everything that I'm up to and vote on polls on what content I post. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.